Hello and welcome, Jags, to CVTV Weekly. I'm Caleb and I'm joined by
Emily.
Thanksgiving is less than a week away, so let's take a look at some Thanksgiving content.
To start off, we will be deciding what the best Thanksgiving food is with Aiden and Caleb.
What's up, Jags? Welcome to the Thanksgiving tier list.
I'm Caleb.
And I'm Aiden.
And the first on our list on this Thanksgiving tier list is turkey, you know?
Yep, good old-fashioned turkey, just sitting right here in the middle.
Always there.
Yep.
Easy S tier, in my opinion.
It's there regardless of where you are, and it's always there just to eat. And easily S tier. It's the most iconic food on Thanksgiving. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah. And want to know what else is iconic?
What is?
The pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie?
Yeah. I'd say that's easily an S tier.
Easily S?
So good. Pumpkin pie. Every time it's at a Thanksgiving dinner, every time I've had one, there's always the pumpkin pie, and it's just delicious.
Got any more S tiers?
Ooh, an S tier? What about, stuffing.
Stuffing?
Mm-hmm.
Always a good side.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong with stuffing.
Yeah, I sometimes have it as like a main thing. Like I get boatloads of stuffing. So good.
It's always good just to have stuffing on the side. Sides are always good on Thanksgiving, no matter what. So now we're gonna go into the A tiers now.
Mm-hmm.
And first off, we're gonna be starting off with, so what do you think of ham?
Ham?
Ham is...
Yeah, I'd say it's an A tier.
Got another one?
What about roasted vegetables? Do you like roasted vegetables?
They're pretty good.
Yeah, they're not too good, which is not like
Not
up with
too-
like
yeah.
stuffing, but
Not that god tier. Like, you have...
Yeah, we'd put it in A tier. Alright, something that is good, but not quite an S tier, but it's always there and you always need it. Mashed potatoes.
Yep, easy to make.
Easy to eat.
Perfectly good. Yeah. It's good for people without any teeth. Another food that mostly no one really ever eats, and I personally don't eat, is cranberry sauce.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Cranberry sauce is disgusting.
You had the right to express yourself that way. So, for our C tiers now, and that goes to dinner rolls.
Dinner rolls, I'd say that's a C tier, yeah. Dinner rolls, they're just there. There's nothing special about them.
They're just
they're
there,
not quite an F because they don't leave a bitter taste in your mouth.
They're just there to fill you up just before meal starts.
Yeah, it's like the appetizer.
Second pick for C tier would be corn. Yep.
Yep.
C for corn.
Yeah, we both agree on that. Corn is a C tier. With butter, it makes it a little bit better, but even then, corn is just meh.
It's just in that tier. That's all we have for you today, Jags. Thank you for watching, and have a good Thanksgiving break.
Bye, guys.
Thanks, guys. Not only is Thanksgiving coming up, but Black Friday is just around the corner.
So next up, let's check in with Lauren and her 3 contestants to hear where they hear the original sale price of items and then guess the Black Friday deal.
Hey guys, and welcome to Black Friday Steals and Deals. Today we have Jalen Washington, Curtis Heimbuck, and Noah Paz, all here to guess some of the best Black Friday deals of this year. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Easy. I forgot the dollar sign though, so. I actually meant cents. 199 cents. $90 for no. That's bad. That's bad. Noah, nice. Oh, you can turn it down. What? Wait, wow. There's no way. You got it. You got it. Again, we all got 600. Hey.
Congrats, Noah and Curtis.
Next up, we have a perfect video on how to make a Thanksgiving side dish. Let's switch to Maddie and see how to make deviled eggs.
So, find one in the other room.
Thank you, Maddie, for the tips. We'll be sure to make some of this for Thanksgiving.
That's a wrap for today. Thanks for watching, Jags.
Have an amazing Thanksgiving, and we'll see you guys next week.